Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonali Agarwal. Currently I'm staying in Dubai and yes, I'm here in Kite Beach and it's really awesome. I just wanted to share my experience. Basically, when I earlier also I came to Dubai, इससे पहले मैं आ चुकी हूँ and it was awesome. I went to the places which everybody talks about like Marina, Future Museum, Burj Khalifa, etc. But Kite Beach is literally a hidden gem over here. If you want to see the tourists, you want to see the flashy things, you need to go to Marina. But अगर आपको पीस चाहिए, सुकून चाहिए, शांति चाहिए, आपको फील करना है कि बीच में रह के कैसा लगता है और what is exactly a feeling जहाँ पे एकदम spirited लोग होते हैं, they are having fun, families are here, they are enjoying, as in they are doing picnics. I the concept of picnic was blurred in my mind because growing up, after 12th I went out, like मैंने अपना घर छोड़ दिया था, as in I went to places to study and doing stuff. So I never experience those stuff जहाँ पे फैमिली के साथ आप जा रहे हो, पिकनिक बना रहे हो. So there are people cycling around, see, and people are walking, exercising. हाँ, कानपुर में एक चीज़ है, वो है संजय वन जहाँ पर लोग करते हैं, but still it's a very different feel, something very different. And I was actually, I think मैं यही चाहती थी. I always wanted this, and Dubai has been in my bucket list, since I can't even say when, because I always wanted to come to Dubai, and it's for me a dream come true. And I always wanted to be here, and kind of I want to settle here, to be honest. When I had this experience कि मुझे घर आना है, कि यार यहाँ पे ये situation हो रहा है, घर चले जाओ, इंडिया आ जाओ, वापस आ जाओ, वॉर हो रहा है, but I don't know. यहाँ पे कुछ तो फीलिंग था कि यार ये घर है, यहाँ इसको छोड़ के कहाँ जाएंगे, घर को छोड़ के कोई जाता है क्या. I always wanted to be staying here, experiencing so many stuffs over here, and life is being pretty cool, the kind of life I wanted. Because in India I was struggling with my health. First of all, the main thing was, and over here the air is pollution free, I would say, and things are pretty cool, whether it's anything, you name it, it is here. Lifestyle is good, everything is good, except for the transportation, I would say. because इससे पहले मैं सिंगापुर में थी, transportation was the awesome. वहाँ के जैसा transportation कोई beat नहीं कर सकता, but everything else over here is too awesome, and it's really blingy, like Dubai Blink kind of a show. वो actually real है यहाँ पे. So I'm just loving it over here. Touch wood. I don't think so कि कोई भी इस चीज़ को skip करना चाहिए किसी को भी, because ये बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे लगता है आपको आके एक बार प्लीज़ एक्सपीरियंस करो, not as a tourist but as a visitor. Stay here, do random stuff, visit places in Dubai. I would say you will feel good. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आप as a tourist experience नहीं कर सकते, but as a wanderer, क्या कहते हैं उसको, जो बस घूम रहा है, वो जो प्लान बना के नहीं आया है कि नहीं मुझे ये चीज़ें बकेट लिस्ट में कंप्लीट करनी है, वैसा नहीं होगा. आप अगर यहाँ पर आओगे, if you want to just experience what exactly Dubai is, you will literally fall in love with this place. This place is amazing, next level amazing. I just wanted to share my experience. So thank you so much for listening, and bye. See you next video. Bye.